This is a Saw Mill Parkway Southbound, right under the overpass on McLean Avenue. As you guys can see, the emergency personnel is there working on someone. We don't actually know what is the situation. Traffic is terribly slow here, this area. We don't know if it's a medical issue or something else. I see the stretcher there at this time, down there. You guys can see it too. And they are working on someone. There is a car right behind it with a trailer right behind it, and the medical technicians and police, county police, are right there working on the person. They just moved the person to the stretcher. Hopefully it's not that serious, and hopefully the person is okay. Again, guys, this is right under the overpass on McLean Avenue. We don't know for sure what happened down there. We don't know if it was a medical issue or something else. I could see the medical technicians, Westchester County Police Department and Yonkers Police Department working on a person. Not sure if it was a male or female. Don't know if it was a medical situation or something else. When I got the call came into me as a person on the parkway southbound under the overpass. No further details, no further information. So I'm giving you the information that I have. So the story is developing. So I am not 100% sure of what actually happened here at this location. A la gente que habla español preguntando qué está pasando, mire, esto es Saw Mill Parkway Sur, abajo de la puente en McLean Avenue. Una persona estaba ya en el piso y los paramédicos lo estaban tratando. Aquí está la policía de Yonkers, el policía de Westchester County. La verdad no sabemos, yo no sé exactamente qué es lo que pasó acá. Que no sé si fue algo médico. atrás, allá es a donde estaba la persona, y atrás está un SUV con una trailer. No sé si fue algún problema médico en el driver del carro. En este momento no sabemos. Si yo tengo más información, yo los dejo saber. Yonkers voice, it's always at work, regardless if it's morning, afternoon, middle of the night, weekend, Saturday, Sundays, raining or snowing. I'm always on a job to report to you what's going on in our city. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I have no control. I don't make the news. I just report the news. I also want to bring it to your attention that sometimes the images are very graphic. Whatever my camera captures, you see what I see. If raw news is not something that you like to see, then perhaps Yonkers Voice is not the page for you. The officers are now cleaning up after the stuff that was used to help the person. I see an oxygen tank on the hands of the dead police officer there, right there. I'm not sure, but I see some of the officers looking up. I hope that this is not the case of somebody jumping from the overpass down. I cannot say it yes, I cannot say it no, but I see them looking up, and